Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will show you how to enable warnings for all speed cameras in the Maps.me app on your phone. If you drive frequently and want to stay informed about speed cameras, this guide will help you set it up easily and safely. First, open the Maps.me app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the More option. Then, select Settings from the list that appears. After that, find the option labeled Voice Instructions and click on it. Now, under Speed Cameras, you will see different options for camera warnings. Choose Warnings about all cameras to make sure you get alerts for every type of speed camera while driving. Finally, exit the settings, and the app will now notify you about all cameras during navigation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.